Hello friends, in this video, we will learn how to transfer Spaceclaim generated NACA Airfoil to Ansys Design Modeler. This video will be foundation for us in which you will learn how to generate NACA Airfoil through script. Let's start. Open Ansys Workbench. Double-click here. Right-click on Geometry. Open Spaceclaim. Copy this NACA Airfoil script. You can change variables as per your requirements. Paste your script here. Run your script. You can see that airfoil shape is created. Click on Pole tool or just press P. You can see that surface is created from closed loop. Save this project. Close Spaceclaim. You can save this script for future needs. Right-click on Geometry. Click on Edit Geometry with Design Modeler. Geometry is imported to Design Modeler. Select this and click on Generate tool. You can see 2D surface of NACA Airfoil. You can now do the rest of simulation part like extrude, domain creation, name selections, etc. Please let us know your comments. Thank you for watching this tutorial.